a 3-year-old child is dead and an entire village there asking who's responsible. In Dalelgarh village of Greater Noida, 3-year-old Devansh tragically lost his life after falling into a deep rainwater-filled pit near a temple during a community feast. His mother Anjali had just come from Sikandrabad to her parental home with her 2 children. And on Saturday, while the family attended the Bandara at the village temple, Devansh was playing nearby when he reportedly slipped into the water-filled pit and died. Family members, in fact, realized he was missing after a few minutes, and then when they rushed around to look for him, by the time they realized that he was in that water-filled pit, it was too late. They brought him out. He had stopped breathing. He was declared dead. Sudden loss has left the family devastated, the entire village there mourning. But this fatality comes just 1 month after the death of 27-year-old techie, a professional, Yuvraj Mehta, remember, who died in sector 150, whose car fell into a water-filled pit. This is a very, very similar incident, again happening in Noida. Here, a little far away from these busy areas of where the techie lived, here is a village which had an open pit and nobody cared for that. And a 3-year-old child has died. Residents say that the pit had been lying open for a long time and filled with rainwater after the monsoon season this time. In fact, they claim that they repeatedly complained to the Greater Noida authorities as well. But alas, no action was taken. Here the mother speaks as well.
हम तो ये चाहते हैं बच्ची को कुछ करो, देखो बच्चा गया और बच्चे भी गिर सकते हैं, आप तो हमारे देवता है जी, कल को और भी कोई है जी, बाकी सुविधा करो तुम.
Villagers have expressed anger, accusing the Greater Noida authorities of negligence and inaction. The Noida authority on their part say that this land is basically a private-owned farmer's land. It's not government land, suggesting limitations in direct intervention. Imagine.
और वो रास्ता बना हुआ तो उस रास्ते से कोई भी जा सकता है, तो उसको तो बैरिकेड कर नहीं सकते. नहीं, अधिग्रहित जमीन हमारी नहीं है. प्राइवेट जमीन. हाँ, प्राइवेट जमीन. अधिग्रहित जमीन हमारी है ही नहीं.
It's terribly tragic that they don't even feel the responsibility or feel the need to take that responsibility on themselves and admit that this was a fault and oversight and we should have done something. Imagine the villagers have been complaining to the authorities as well repeatedly, but yet they allowed this to happen. They clearly allowed this to happen. This hazardous pit was left exposed despite villagers begging the authorities to cover it up. So what if it was private land?